I'm gonna let it go just for a little bit longer because I love the crust on the rotisserie chicken. Just absolutely love it. All right, guys, I'm doing a review on the Onlyfire. There it is, Onlyfire stainless steel ring. I have actually the black ring over here. As far as the metal goes, I really can't tell a difference. I mean, as far as the weight, as far as the quality, one is just a different type of metal. It comes again with the rotisserie engine. It doesn't come with all the extras. I mean, they give you these pans when you get the stainless steel one. They also give you these charcoal holders right there. So you're going to get two of those. You're going to get your spit that is over here. And again, this is the black patina. It's a lot less expensive, okay? Hooks on the same way, same cutouts, and everything fits perfectly on there. It's just whatever your preference is. This ring right here with its engine, with all the accessories, is much better quality than the Weber, which is surprising because I thought Weber was supposed to be the industry leader. All right, guys, we got the bird on there. I am very impressed with the spittle. This is heavy duty, and I didn't really notice this. This is more upgraded than the one that comes with the black ring from Onlyfire. Again, the black one is fine if you want to save a few dollars. This one seems to be just more commercial grade, more industrial. One of the things I like to do when I'm cooking is put a few coals in the middle, not lit. And you're like, well, why do you do that? Because this will start dripping on there, and as these start to die out, I use my tongs and I just grab a coal or two from there, which has the juices from the bird, and I put them inside there to keep the fire going. I'm powering it with an Ecoflow Mini, which is fantastic. This is one of the smaller units. It's very, very inexpensive, and I could cook for 52 hours on this small unit. Listen to this, 52 hours. I can power all the lights outside. I can actually run my fridge off of this thing. I could actually just plug this up and have my solar going into it at the same time that I'm using it, which is just amazing that you can do it. And again, this is what it looks like. You have a cigarette lighter here, all your switches here. Now, let me see if I can open that up. You can charge it several different ways. But I tell you what, I am more than impressed. This is the Ecoflow Mini. You could take this camping. If you used it every day and charged it every day to the max and emptied it, you could use this for 20 years. That's how powerful it is. This is what I put on the chicken. I put garlic, onion powder, paprika, Lawrence's seasoning salt, and the paprika, all that is ground bell peppers. There's not a lot of flavor there, but it gives it a beautiful color. And then ground cracked pepper. If you're not familiar with Ecoflow, they are the leading manufacturer now of battery technology, meaning like a battery that you can take with you. A lot of people, they put up these elaborate solar panels and inverters and battery banks. Ecoflow actually has some called the Delta Pros, okay? You can stack those and run your whole house. You can, I mean, you can literally, you can stack them. They're a bigger version of this, but look, at every time you get a one of those, it tells you exactly. I can run my rotisserie from the house. It'll tell me how much current's going out. It'll tell me all the outlets in the front and the back, when I need to charge. I mean, everything is on here. My output, I mean, it's just insane. And it's telling me I can rotisserie chicken for over 2 days on this small. This is the smallest version that they have. And I think this is just genius because it gives me a few hours on the inside during a power outage. If I'm running, I can run my deep freezer off this, my refrigerator off this. Now again, it's not going to run forever, but if I have solar going into it or something else going into it, it will be indefinite. It's a great asset to your house, especially if you love camping, if you love barbecuing, if you love being on the outdoors. I am not giving you any of my rotisserie chicken. I'm shooting straight with you. Look at you licking your chops. I know you see that rotisserie right there. You ain't getting it, man. We ain't having an episode like we did last time, now are we? Oh, that's how it is? Let's see what she's looking like. I gotta watch out for that cat. Oh, she's looking really good, guys. I think we've been on for about 40 minutes right now. You can see where that paprika is really coloring it up nice. Has some Lawrence's seasoning salt on there. And my coals are fine. I love those. If you just wanted the ring on this and the rotisserie with the spit, you can get the stainless steel for $105, the black ring for $94. If you get the set that I got with the 2 charcoal holders and the little pans that go in the bottom, it's $115. Again, I'll put links in the description. I got this Weber at a garage sale for $10, which is great because you can just use these and use these and use these. I went ahead and upgraded the surface. This is cast iron right here with this cutout that comes out. This is so freaking nice. The first one they sent me was cracked because someone dropped it at UPS, but I just contacted them and they sent me out a brand new one, and I've been so impressed. And again, this is cast iron, so the cast iron is going to hold the heat and distribute it evenly around. As these go, these charcoal holders right here to the left and the right, they're not bad. You got to realize these are freebies. These that I got from Amazon are much, much nicer. These are 2 different brands. You can kind of tell. This one is solid, okay? Only problem with this one is there's some really sharp edges here, but if you have a grinder, that's no big deal. This one has a water reservoir that is removable. This one seems to be more heavy duty. I'm just shooting straight with you. This one, you know what, look at this rivet here, okay? That's fine, but eventually that's gonna break. I can fix that. I don't like these rivets. I like that this one was tacked, it was welded together. I would have liked the water reservoir being removable, but here's the thing, it's kind of give and take when you're barbecuing. They're almost identical and they fit on the Weber perfectly. But these are the things when you're looking about getting one of these charcoal things, I don't like that. That's cheese right there, okay? Use a better bolt because this over time will break, but again, it's not something that you can't fix. Right there, see that? Don't like those. But I do love this one. This is my favorite. If I'm in a pinch and I need both of them, I'll use this. That cat is just waiting for that. Check that out. Oh yeah, I just added a couple more. I like her brown. How you like your chicken, guys? Put it in the comments. You're like, man, I think I like your chicken because you're a smart man. I'm gonna let it go just for a little bit longer because I love the crust on the rotisserie chicken. Just absolutely love it. Man, does that look good. Guys, it has taken longer than I wanted, but here's the thing. I'm a perfectionist when it comes to my chickens, and that is it. I hope you can see it. It's kind of dark out here. Oh, look who's come to visit us. This cat has been with us. It's a neighbor's cat. Last time I gave him a little bit of chicken, that was my first mistake. Because here's the thing. Once you get a bite of my chicken, you're always coming back. But look at that beautiful bird. I'm very impressed with the Onlyfire stainless steel ring. I got the kit, and again, you get all the goodies. You can check it out. I'll put all the links in the description if you're interested. As far as the Ecoflow, it did not even go down at all after about 3 hours of low and slow. And so I can't say enough about that battery bank. It's something you might want to look into, especially just for like power outages or, you know, who knows? At least you have something where you can power your fridge or your deep freezer for a few hours. Bougie chicken right here. Check that out. That's exactly how I love it. And very, very impressed again with the Onlyfire ring and rotisserie. No problems whatsoever. Great quality. The spit didn't even wobble. I've had some cheap ones where they kind of go like this and stuff. Has a balancing rod and all that other stuff. So very impressed. I'm going to enjoy this with some corn, baked beans, some macaroni and cheese, and all the other extras. Peace out.